Hi everyone, my name is Christine. I wanted to put together a quick video on how I finish attaching my quilt binding to the front of my quilt using an open toe type of foot on my sewing machine. Here we go. This is an open toe foot and I like it because it helps me see that stitching much better. And so I'm going to lower my presser foot. And see, I am using this side of this foot to line the binding up. So what I want to do is I don't want to stitch right here in the middle. So I'm going to move my needle over to a position that I'm comfortable with. It's not going to be in the middle, but I'm not going to take a chance of it stitching off of the binding onto the front of the quilt itself. So just find an area you're comfortable with and then go ahead and start stitching. Take a few stitches and then back stitch. And something that I recommend is once you do this, make a note to yourself on a sticky note or somewhere around your machine that says binding. And then put what foot you like to use for it and what needle position you're putting it at. That way you don't have to try to remember it later. So you see I'm just stitching along there and then folding it back over and then stitching along some more. Show you on the back here. Right there. There you go. So it's not too close, but it's not too far, but it is super secure on the front of a quilt. And here's the back. And so see those stitches are right up against the black binding there. And I'm okay with those stitches being sewn because look, you see stitches for the quilting. Why not the binding? Big deal. So this is a great way to put your binding down pretty quick and by machine. Okay, so my first step is to fold this corner over and use my clip to hold it. I'm folding it over using my tweezers. These curved tweezers are great. And I'm just pushing it down along that edge. I know it's so hard to see with this black fabric, but we'll do our best. So I'm just trying to get that corner there to line up along the edge. It's a little bit off, so I'm just going to go back up, and I'm pushing down to put more of that fabric into the corner down there. That's much better. Okay, so I'm just going to go forward. I'm holding it with the tweezers. And I'm going to get you to a different angle here. Hold on. Okay, so I'm still holding it here, and I'm just going to make sure my tweezers are out of the way and just go slowly until I can see the needle just hit on that next fabric here. And then once it catches it, I'm still hanging on to it here with my finger just to make sure, and then sew on down. Remove my clip. Continue. Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please check out my other quilt binding tutorials in my All About Binding playlist. Have a great day, everyone.